Hi guys, welcome to another Tech Talk Quickie. I'm your host Steven Wright. In today's video we're going to look at how to swap a SIM card. So what you're going to need obviously is your smartphone. So in this case we're using the S20 Ultra as it actually has the dual SIM capability. We're going to use two SIM cards, SIM tools. So take your phone and if you look at the top, so once that pops up you just pull that out. So as you can see there's space for two SIM cards. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your first SIM card and you want to just place it in just like this. And you can see that that sits just like that. Second SIM card might be a little bit tricky to get as it needs to actually hit on the little ridge. I don't know if you can see here. Okay, good job. First time lucky, you place it back into the slot. Just like that.
Okay, so once you go to your settings, you can see your two SIM cards and you can choose whether you want to use one for calls or texts. I've changed the name to O2 and EE. And you can also then swap your mobile data to your second SIM if you wish, and then it will change. That means every time you use mobile data, it will use the chosen SIM card. And whenever you go to make a call, you can see that you now have two call buttons for SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. You can choose then whether you want to use SIM card 1 or SIM card 2, so which number you want to use for your phone call.
So I've been Steven, thanks very much, see you in the next one.